Here's a quick video that will show you how to view your charts larger on screen or to permanently upsize the page of a design and the chart in that design. Quickest way to view a larger shot of your chart, if you wish to, is to go to File and select Preview. You can see there's a Command-Shift-Option keyboard command that you can use. Hit Preview and you see that you see a much larger view of your chart. But if you want to permanently change this and increase the size of the page and the chart, we'll show you how to do that. Now keep in mind, this is designed to print on an 8.5/11 sheet, so that's why it looks like this. Now, if you want to increase the size, I suggest a couple things. Number one, you might want to increase just by the same dimensions so that you retain that and it's easier for your printer to decide how to print it. Remember too, when you print, you're going to either have to select print fit to page, excuse me, or the percentage that you want to print the chart page. So let's go ahead and upsize this. First thing we want to do is go to File and select Page Setup. And an older version, you may have a separate window that opens up. This is version 8, and it's a more compact setup for using screen space. So we want to leave page attributes alone. If your own printer is selected, that's fine. And then paper size, we're going to go to Manage Custom Sizes. And you see that we have the option to create a custom size for this, so we're going to create a new one. We'd go to the little plus. It's untitled right now. We're going to call it let's see if this will let me do this. There we go. This is Yosemite. It's a little slower. We'll call this just a bit bigger, just for fun. And what we're going to do is increase the size by, let's say, take it up to 12 by, 15. And we're going to leave the non-printable area alone. It's user defined. We're going to leave the margins alone. You could change those if you choose to. Okay, and then we're going to click OK. And OK. Now you see we have a larger page. And we can move these pieces around. Now make sure Graphics Layout is checked under Graphics pull-down menu. That activates all the components on the page so that we can do what we wish with them. So we're going to increase this. You see each time I grab a component, there's a box around it with the black square at the bottom right hand corner, meaning it's active. I'm going to grab that, hold down, pull. Let's reposition a little bit. Do it again. There we go. What a big chart there. No, haven't left a lot of space for my information at the top. In another video, we'll show you how you can change those in a lot of different ways, but this one is simply about making your screenshot larger. So there we have a much larger screen for all the designs. Now, if you haven't learned about those yet, again, that's another video that we're preparing for you. And we're going to click to save this. We're going to save it. And now when we open up AM Aspect Traditional, it will be larger, just as always. Now, you can do a save as, and you can save this as a larger version of it. Okay, just make sure that you save it, and let's do that. We're going to do a save as, and if we had wanted to retain the original, we could have done that. We'll call it AM Aspect Traditional Bigger. And right now it's going to save into favorites. That's probably where you'd want it, but you can put it in any of the color designs, wherever you'd like to put it. But we're going to select favorites. You see favorites again, and we're going to save the design as. So now under favorites, we have AM Aspect Traditional Bigger. So again, I could have retained the original and begun as a save as, and I'd have both. So that's your option. That's the video. I hope it works for you, and I thank you very much.